Hello guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's actually raining outside. But anyways, I am going to unbox something. Okay, let's do a little unboxing for today. Yeah. So actually, guys, this fragrance is from Fragrance Lab. I don't know if makita, but it's actually from Fragrance Lab. So I'm actually in I'm actually looking for something that I can use every day, especially at my workplace. I'm looking for a scent that is something for like para sa mga professional. So I've got it here, and I actually, as usual, I blind bought this one. So this fragrance is actually another 13 here. It's another 13. I don't know how does it smell because again, it's a blind box. So let's have a short reaction video or initial review about this. So based on its notes here or accords, it has a musky, powdery, amber, woody type of scent. So let's see. Oh my god. Okay, yes, it does have the ambery, a little bit of, musky and powdery. Yeah, so that's it. It actually reminds me of Baccarat Rouge. I don't know why. So, let's see na lang if how does it performs rather, or, overall performance of it. Another 13. I don't know kung ano yung ginapangambal ko. Dahil, sorry guys!